Dahil magkilaan na. May graduation. May graduation, manong.
Our Honorable Guest Speaker, Mr. Rodonay Cabasal Rimbawa, Sir, our indefatigable District Supervisor, Mrs. Madeline Aglipol, our dynamic and debonair Principal of this institution, Mr. Peregrino C. Ka, Sir, our PTA officials headed by our barangay, headed by very active President Mrs. Benuna Gabatin, our very able alumni President Mr. Francis Canosa, our barangay officials headed by our barangay captain Cecilia C. Badar, to the active and equally able faculty and staff of Solvang Integrated School, dear parent, alumni, fellow completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. The sparkle and prestige of this significant occasion is a manifestation of two things. First, it signifies our achievement as learners who have successfully went through the very intricate yet important challenges of academic life despite of COVID-19 pandemic, which affected every one of us all around the globe. And second, our dear alma mater. The Solvang Integrated School has now produced its 19th batch of junior high school graduates, which in our part is a very wonderful and fulfilling experience. Fellow completers, an enormous attitude and responsibilities are bestowed on us, with the knowledge and skills that our alma mater has equipped and inculcated on us. It would be a shame on our part if we could not be able to make a mark on our society a few years from now. Fellow completers, we will be successful in the future if we continue with our education. We should remember that education is not only confined within the four corners of the classroom, but also with our everyday human endeavors. The search for knowledge and skills is infinite, and it can be acquired anywhere. Education is the best weapon to achieve social mobility. If because of poverty, we would not be able to continue to the next level of formal education to earn a degree, we can always inherit our skills and abilities to survive and earn a living. Success is achieved when one does not rest on his laurels. Success could be attained when one continues his quest for knowledge. Above all, the truest measure of success is when one has fear and trust in the divine providence, to whom we owe our very existence and abilities which we are trying to exploit to the fullest. At this point, I would like to express my debt of gratitude to all the parents. For without your sacrifices, we, the completers, will not be able to reach this far. I would like to thank also my family, especially to my dad, Lola Florence, Lola Lita, and Lolo, who took care of me and stand as my guidance while my mom's away. And to my mom, who has never forgotten her obligation in providing our needs. And to my teacher, Kathy, who always pushing me, giving me advices, and treating me as her own. And to all my teachers during my high school life and when I was in elementary. Thank you so much for all your sacrifices, love, and giving me an inspiration and hope to pursue my dreams. I am very grateful to God for giving me a parent and teachers like you. To our principal, Mr. Peregrino Sica, and to all the faculty and teaching staff of this institution. Thank you so much for providing us the virtue within which we develop our bodies, hearts, minds, and souls, and who unfold us to the wisdom of ages and trained us with the skills and attitude necessary for success. Ladies and gentlemen, the inevitable has come, and I bid my farewell to our dear alma mater, who nurtured me and took care of me for many years. I will be forever grateful to her. Her legacy lives on. Maraming salamat.
Let us also hear Rabina D. Garcia,